Alaikum. Today we will take leftover questions of the unit 3rd, health and disease. The subtopic is health and disease. Here one of the topic is hepatitis. Hepatitis is also called jaundice. Causative organism जो है hepatitis का, it is a virus. Causative organism is, so far as causative organism is concerned, it is also called jaundice. It is viral disease. It is caused by virus. This virus attacks liver. The various types of hepatitis and their causative agents are as following. ये चार्ट है, इसमें हेपेटाइटिस ए है, हेपेटाइटिस बी है, हेपेटाइटिस सी, हेपेटाइटिस डी, हेपेटाइटिस ई. As far as the hepatitis A is concerned, it is causative agent. It is hepatitis virus A. This is hepatitis virus A. This is viral disease, but this virus is sickle stranded. This is a RNA type virus, like this. The RNA stranded or single stranded. This virus is single stranded. This like root. What is the route of infection of this virus? Orofacial route. It occurs through the gastrointestinal tract. The incubation period of this virus is from 2 to 6 weeks. It means that when it enters the body and starts appearing its symptoms, it will take 2 to 6 weeks. At least 2 weeks, maximally it takes 6 weeks. Then it is a hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is, so far as the hepatitis B is concerned, hepatitis B is concerned. Hepatitis B is a viral disease. Hepatitis B virus. HB means hepatitis B virus. This is a DNA virus. This virus is two-stranded, like this. This is two-stranded virus. What is the route of infection? Parental route. Blood, infected needles, sexual contact. It occurs through the infected blood, infected needles. What is the incubation period? Incubation period means virus enters the body, starts its symptoms. It takes leastly 6 weeks and maximally 20 weeks. Then it is a hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is this HCV means hepatitis C virus. This is single-stranded virus, like this. This is single-stranded. This is a parental route. This parental route. This infection occurs due to blood. It takes leastly 6 weeks and maximally 26 weeks to start appearing its symptoms in hepatitis C. So far as hepatitis D is concerned, hepatitis D virus, RNA virus. It is single-stranded virus. This is single-stranded virus. Parental route. The parents से इसके बच्चे में चला जाता है. It takes 4 to 10 weeks. Leastly it takes 4 weeks. Maximally it takes 10 weeks to start appearing its symptoms. Then it is a hepatitis E. Hepatitis E virus. This is DNA type virus. This is double-stranded virus. This is double-stranded virus. Orofacial route. This again occurs through orofacial route. We take the food through mouth. So this infection occurs through the orophageal route, through the gastrointestinal route. This hepatitis E and this hepatitis A. Hepatitis E incubation period is 2 to 6 weeks, leastly 2 weeks and maximally 6 weeks to start appearing its symptoms. The symptoms, what are the general symptoms of the jaundice or the hepatitis? The initial symptoms of the virus or hepatitis are like that of influenza. इसमें इन्फ्लुएंजा जैसा होता है, जुकाम जैसा होता है, रनिंग नोज होती है. The patient suffers from the attacks of fever, और फीवर अटैक करता है इस पेशेंट को. चिल स्वेटिंग, ठंडा पसीना आता है इसके जिस्म से. नूसा, Nusa means vomiting like features. Just we start vomiting, the features that occurs in our abdomen, this is called nusa. Vomiting occurs. The patient suffering from the jaundice is characterized by vomiting. Also, vomiting takes place in these patients. Epigastric pain. Epigastric pain means pain in abdomen, upper part of the abdomen. Upper part of the abdomen here, in upper side of the abdomen. This is called epigastric pain. Pain in muscles. Muscles में भी pain होती है, and joints. जोड़ों में भी दर्द होता है. The liver of the patient becomes hard. इसमें जो liver होता है, इस patient में hard बन जाता है. Almost liver is soft. It is the largest gland in the body. It contracts and turns greenish. इसका कलर ग्रीन बन जाता है. जो लिवर है इसका कलर जो रेड कलर है, पिंक कलर है, पिंक कलर जो है, रेड पिंक जो कलर है इसका, इट टर्न्स ग्रीन, इसका कलर ग्रीन हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट स्टोर्स बाइल इज ग्रीन इन कलर. इट लूजेस कैपेसिटी टू सिक्रीट बाइल. इसमें बाइल सिक्रीट नहीं होता है, इसमें जो बाइल जो बचा कुचा होता है वो इसी में रह जाता है. द स्किन टर्न्स येलो. स्किन इसकी इस पेशेंट की येलो हो जाती है. डिपॉजिट ऑफ बाइल इन इट, और बाइल डिपॉजिट होता है स्किन में. द पेशेंट पास डार्क यूरिन एंड लाइट कलर स्टूल्स. इसमें जो पेशेंट जो होता है, इसमें पेशाब जो होता है वो काला खारिज करता है, काला पेशाब छोड़ता है. लाइट कलर्ड स्टूल, और जो बड़ा पेशाब होता है वो जर्द होता है. इट इज नॉट ब्राउन, इट इज colored stools of this jaundice patient. Why this color, this urine becomes dark? Because of the bilirubin pigment that occurs, that is secreted in the bile, stored in the gallbladder. Now the patient becomes the yellow skin, yellowish eyes, and this liver becomes green. These are some of the symptoms of this hepatitis. Now, what is the treatment of this hepatitis? Hepatitis, there is no treatment for viral hepatitis. Viral hepatitis has no treatment. Antibiotics are given to patient to prevent hepatitis, to secondary infection. इसमें जो ही में जिस बीमार को लग जाती है ये हेपेटाइटिस, इसको पहले एंटीबायोटिक्स दी जाती है, और इसमें कुछ दवाइयां भी दरियाफ्त हुई है, बनाई गई है. जैसे कि हेपेटाइटिस ए इज प्रिवेंटेड बाय हेपेटाइटिस ए वैक्सीन. हेपेटाइटिस ए को जिसको लग जाती है उसको हेपेटाइटिस ए इंजेक्शन दिया जाता है. हेपेटाइटिस बी इज प्रिवेंटेड बाय हेपेटाइटिस बी वैक्सीन. हेपेटाइटिस बी जिसको लग जाती है उसको हेपेटाइटिस बी वैक्सीन से ट्रीट किया जाता है. देयर इज नो वैक्सीन फॉर हेपेटाइटिस सी, डी एंड ई. नाउ देयर इज नो वैक्सीन फॉर हेपेटाइटिस सी and D and E, but the survey is continued in this direction regarding the treatment of C, D and E. This was all about the hepatitis. Thanks, dear.